So today we're going to do something a little bit different, and we are going to take a look at creating new food products. The students here in class are going to be using some hamburger to make some taco or burrito like dish, whatever they choose to do for it. You are welcome to use whatever you have at home to come up with a new food product that can be marketed to a specific target group. So for the project, you need to figure out what you're gonna do first of all, and then who your target market's gonna be is probably the next thing to do, and then follow the rubric here. You need to create a product name and description. Originality of the product comes from the picture that you provide of your finished project and your description. Target market and what the recipe is, and you can go ahead and put that info into these slides and upload that, or submit it, I should say, in the assignment for your slide deck today, and have some fun with it. Hopefully you can feel creative. If not, Google is your friend. Look up some ideas and go ahead and have a fantastic day.